In this Spekit Simplified video, we will guide you through the process of manually creating a team in Spekit. Open the Spekit web app. Click on Settings. If you don't see settings, please contact your Spekit administrator. In the Manage Teams and Users section, click on Manage Teams. Click the blue Create a Team button. Complete the required details, team name, such as operations, business development reps, or customer success, and include a clear explanation of what types of content this group has access to. Next, adjust access settings. If users should not be able to access field specs that are not associated with a topic, then uncheck the box next to Can access all specs without a topic. If this team needs to see specific topics, leave the box unchecked. Use the drop-down menu to select which topics should be visible. After assigning topics, click Create and Add Users. Select users to invite by searching and using radio buttons. And finally, assign team assignments and team-specific roles for users. To add users via SSO, work with your SSO administrator. To edit team settings, click Settings, then Manage Teams, and finally, Edit Team. Make necessary changes and click Save. To remove users from a team, click Manage Users, select Users, and click Remove User. For SSO added users, removal should be done via SSO. To remove users from the user area, open Settings, click Manage Users, select Users, and choose Remove from Team. Confirm the removal and a confirmation message will appear. And that's how you manually create and manage teams in Spekit. If you have further questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching.